Today we're going to look at a product that can turn your desk from this into this. This is a smart Wi-Fi LED strip from Kogan. Coming in at only $40 Australian or $30 US, this is a really great price for a smart LED product, with many other alternatives coming in at a much higher price point. If you like the look of this LED strip, I'll drop the link down in the description below. These lights are advertised as being able to do a cool and warm white, as well as a full RGB spectrum of up to 16 million colors. The color range is really impressive, especially compared with some of the cheaper RGB LED strips out there. Many of these cheaper options have a much smaller range of colors to pick from, and don't let you fine tune the color of the lights. Let's get to the unboxing and see what's included with this LED strip. Kogan is known for their no frills branding approach, so with that we have a basic and plain box. First off, inside we have the LED strip itself in this sealed bag. Here's the instruction manual, which is going to come in handy later on. Next is the power adapter. And finally we have the Wi-Fi controller. Before I do anything else, I'm going to try connecting everything up and make sure it powers on okay. The lights aren't turning on at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and download the Smarter Home app and try to connect the lights to the network. Just to double check, I disconnected and reconnected the power cable to the Wi-Fi controller. Now we have light. As instructed from within the app, I turn the lights on and off from the power a few times until they start quickly blinking. However, once I continued to the next step, the app sat on the same adding device screen for 2 minutes and wasn't able to detect the lights. After this, I switched over to manual pairing mode, where I'm again instructed to turn the lights on and off 3 times until the lights start blinking slowly. After a couple of tries, I was able to switch the smart lights into manual pairing mode, and they're now successfully connected within the app. Next, I unraveled the LED strip from its reel in preparation to attach it to the desk. As you can see here, it has 3M adhesive tape running along the backside of the strip. Now that I've pushed my desk forward away from the wall, I've fed the LED strip behind any cables which hang down, and I'm now removing the protective layer from the adhesive and sticking it to the desk. For some reason the lights turned on by themselves at this stage. Luckily for me, the length of the LED strip fits perfectly from one end of the back of my desk around the corner and to the other side. Given that my desk is an L-shaped corner desk, this has worked out perfectly. Finally, I've secured the Wi-Fi controller for the strips with the included double-sided adhesive pad so that it isn't hanging freely. Last but not least, in order to connect the lights to my Google Home ecosystem, I followed the steps within the user manual to add Smarter Home as an application within the Google Home app. This will allow me to control the lights via Google Assistant or any of my other connected smart devices. As you can see here, the color control from within the app is very extensive and precise. Now that everything is set up, this is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you drop a thumbs up and comment below. For more tech-related content like this, hit subscribe and the bell icon below. That's all for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one.